Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K. Kimsa. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA NET paper first. हायर एजुकेशन पर काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, इसलिए इस पर हमने यह वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल हायर एजुकेशन पर डेडिकेटेड है। इन सीरीज पार्ट 11 है इस वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल सीरीज का। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इफ अ स्टूडेंट इज कॉन्स्टेंटली रबिंग हिज आईज and is inattentive during blackboard work, he is having A. adjustment problem, B. hearing problem, C. visual problem, or D. all of the above. Here correct option is C. visual problem. उसको देखने में प्रॉब्लम है। 2. Play therapy is adopted by in the study of children in order to A. make the educational process joyful, B. to understand the inner motives and complexes of children, C. make education more activity centered, or D. highlight the importance of play activities in education. Comparatively, यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें so correct option is B. to understand the inner motives and complexes of children. 3. The most powerful barrier of communication in the classroom is correct option, जो options यहाँ पर दिए हुए comparatively उसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी है, कंफ्यूजन ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द टीचर। 4. It is said that there is an urgent need of articulation among schools and colleges. This problem of articulation is concerned with correct option is C. communication and closer relationship among teachers. 5. The most important challenge before a teacher is A. to maintain discipline in the classroom, B. to make students do their homework, C. to prepare question paper, or D. to make teaching learning process enjoyable. Correct option is D. to make teaching learning process enjoyable. 6. The idea that basic education through crafts, correct option is D. true to some extent only because the concept is deeper. 7. The joint sittings of the Union Parliament may be summoned for correct option is D. resolution of the deadlock between the two houses on a non-money bill. 8. Who appoints the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Correct option is B here, the President. 9. A frequency distribution is best defined as the options यहाँ पर आप ध्यान से देखें. So here you will find D to be a correct answer. Number of pupils who received each score on a test. 10. With regard to standardized testing, which of the following statements is correct? A. The testing of intelligence began in Germany. B. The Wechsler Intelligence Scale for Children, जिसको हम WISC बोलते हैं, is a group test. Or C. The Rorschach test uses ink blots, or D. TAT, that is thematic appreciation test, is easy to interpret. So यहाँ पर correct option is C. Rorschach test uses ink blots. 11. Heterogeneous grouping best serves the aims of a democratic society because correct option is C. It minimizes class distinctions. 12. The Lok Sabha Secretariat comes under the control of correct option is Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. 13. Who examines the Controller and Auditor General of India after it is laid before Parliament? So correct option is C here, Public Accounts Committee. 14. Of great importance in determining the amount of transference that occurs in learning is the correct option is D. presence of identical elements. 15. Which one of the following high courts has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Islands? The correct option is B. Calcutta. 16. In case of absence of president and vice president, which of the following acts as the president of the country? Here correct option is C. Chief Justice of India. 17. Which of the following subjects does not belong to the Union? So correct option is D. Public Health and Sanitation. Comparatively जो यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं. 18. President can be removed on charges of violating the constitution by, correct option is B, impeachment. 19. The term prejudice in a person is colored by, correct option is a hasty judgment about a situation with an unfavorable. 20. Suppose you are teaching in a minority college where casteism and narrow-mindedness victimize you. For better adjustment, there should be, correct option is A, uplift the humanistic values beyond these narrow walls and develop scientific temper in your students. 21. Suppose you want to teach your students to develop factual knowledge of a subject. Which of the following methods would be suitable in your opinion? So correct option is B here, comparatively, the lecture method. 22. Judicial review is the power of the higher court to declare unconstitutional any 1. Law passed by legislature. 2. Judgment of the lower court. 3. Order of the executive choose the form from the following choices. So यहाँ पर अगर choices की हम बात देखें ध्यान से, so correct option is C, that first and third only law passed by legislator and order of the executive. ये सही है इस केस में. 23. How many types of emergency can be declared by the President of India? Correct option is B, 3. 24. The retirement age of a Supreme Court judge is, correct option is D, 65 years. 25. The Prime Minister is, correct option is C, the leader of the majority party of Lok Sabha. 26. Why are the fundamental rights considered fundamental? So, A, necessary for the successful working of democratic institution. B, basic to the welfare, dignity and happiness of individual, or C, constitution is based on these. So यहाँ पर अगर देखें only first and second लिखा हुआ, rather यहाँ पर लिखा होना चाहिए only A and B are correct. 27. The president's rule is imposed in a state on a union territory when they or a union territory. A, governor of a state or the chief commissioner or governor advises the president to do so because the government in that state or territory cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of the constitution. So correct option is A. 28. Agriculture including research and education falls in, correct option is A, state list. 20. Fundamental rights of the citizens are, correct option is B, justifiable. 30. Fundamental rights of the Indian citizens are contained in dash of the Indian Constitution. Correct option is C, part 3rd. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.